At the age of 12, Kalpana was forced into an arranged marriage with a much older man. She was a smart and ambitious girl with big dreams for her future, but she faced challenges growing up in a small town in Maharashtra. Even though she was good at studies, she experienced a lot of discrimination at school. The other children would not play with her because she came from a lower class. As a Dalit student, she was not allowed to participate in school functions. Also, the parents of other children scolded them for playing with her. After getting married, she moved to Mumbai to live with her husband, who was 10 years older than her. Like other girls from similar backgrounds, Saroj began to take care of her home and family. Life was difficult as she had to share a small room in a slum with her husband's brother and his wife, who treated her harshly and even physically abused her. She felt like her marriage was like death to her. When her father visited her after 6 months, he was shocked to see her condition. He was met with a walking corpse instead of his daughter. He decided to take her back home and encouraged her to study. But the society did not approve of a married girl returning to her family home, which caused pressure on her parents. The pressure and suffering became too much for her. At the age of 16, she tried to end her life by consuming 3 bottles of pesticide. Luckily, her aunt saved her just in time. After this incident, Kalpana realized the value of life and decided to fight against her difficult circumstances. She went back to Mumbai to live with her uncle and got a job in a garment factory to support her family. She started her first job at just 2 rupees, as she was more interested in learning the skill. She mastered the art of operating a sewing machine. Within a few months, she rose to the level of a senior tailor and also received a decent raise. Her life was looking up when the tragedy struck. Her sister died because there wasn't enough money for her proper treatment. Her sister's untimely death made her realize the importance of money. Now she was not satisfied with her ordinary job and wanted to achieve something bigger. She decided to start her own business. She came across a government scheme that offered loans to lower caste women. She took the loan and started her business by buying some sewing machine. She worked 16 hours a day. She didn't stop there. With the profits from her business, she started to invest in a furniture business, which helped her grow her money. Then she saw an opportunity in real estate, where she received a proposal to buy a land for 2.5 lakh rupees. Although there was a legal issue with the property, the owner needed the money. It was agreed that she would pay him 1 lakh in advance and clear the remaining amount within a few months. She fought the legal battle for 2 years and ultimately won the case. Her journey took a new turn when she started KS Film Production and launched her first movie, which highlighted the struggles and injustices faced by Dalit families in Khairlanji, Maharashtra. The movie was dubbed in 3 languages: English, Telugu, and Hindi. In 2001, Kalpana gained fame, and the Workers' Union of Kamani Tubes approached her, hoping she could save their dying company. The workers had not been paid for last 3 years, and the company was facing heavy losses. Initially, she was reluctant, and even her advisors called it a suicide mission. But she took the challenge out of the concern for the workers. The condition of 3,500 workers compelled her to take this challenge, as she was able to relate with them. Through hard work, she managed to turn around the losses of Kamani Tubes Company into profit. For her work with Kamani Tubes and various other ventures, Kalpana Saroj received many awards and the Padma Shri Award for Trade and Industry in 2013. From the slums of Mumbai to holding a position of a chairperson in a renowned industrial setup with a value of at least 1000 crore, she earned the nickname Original Slumdog Millionaire. Today, she has a net worth of around 900 crore. Welcome to Dragon's Perception, where we dare to see beyond the ordinary. We believe in challenging the conventional wisdom and igniting imaginations. Many people want to become rich. Few people have the knowledge and resources to become rich. But very few people have the courage to take action to become rich. Most of the people who say money is not important usually have a lot of money in their bank account, or they have not seen poverty for a very long time. At least in today's world, it is a tool that can help you to make your life better. Today, we will learn from the story of Kalpana Saroj about how to become rich with no money. There are many ways to earn money, but broadly, there are 4 categories. You should remember that one category is not better than the other. Each one has its own merits and demerits. First category is employee. When you have nothing in hand and you want to earn money fast, this is a good way to earn money. When people in this category say, "I am not interested in money," it is partly true because they prefer the idea of security over money. Just like Kalpana did, when she had nothing and she needed to take care of her family, she started to work for a garment factory at a mere wage. But one thing that we can learn from Kalpana is that you should focus on learning more than earning more. Because when she mastered the skill of sewing, it increased her salary in a short amount of time. Most of the people are not able to leave this category because they are enjoying the comfort and security they sense in this. It takes a lot of courage to change categories. Your sense of purpose should be strong enough so that you will be motivated to sustain the challenges and hardships in that path. Kalpana realized that her sister was dead because she did not have enough money to save her. This was the strong reason for her to move to the next category of self-employed people. Because it was the only thing she knew at that time, to work hard and make money from it. But now she wanted to take control in her hands. Second category is self-employed or small business. These people want to be their own boss, as they are expert in their skill and are working hard themselves to earn more money. They are not seeking security as they want to take control of the situations and doing it on their own. The potential of earning money in this category is limited because your earning depends on the number of hours you work. Kalpana entered into this category when she opened her small business, where she worked 16 hours a day. Soon, she realized that she needed to move to the other category to earn more money. Third category is investor. These people earn money with money. They find ways to make more sources of income. This is the only way to convert money into wealth. Wealth is measured in the number of days you can survive without working for money and still maintain the standard of living. To be an investor, you should have some money to invest and the willingness to take risks. Kalpana entered into this category when she decided that she needed to invest in a furniture business and real estate so that her sources of income could grow. After that, she entered into the fourth category. The fourth category is business owners. These people hire other people to create a sustainable system to operate the business. This category has the maximum potential to earn money, but also has the maximum amount of risk. These people are leaders. Leadership is the art of bringing out the best in other people. The technical part of business is easy. The hard part is working with people. The major difference between the business owners and self-employed people is that if a business owner leaves their business for 1 or 2 years and return afterwards, they would see that the business is still running and making profits. However, this is not the case for self-employed people. Kalpana entered into this category of people when she decided to join Kamani Tubes as the chairman of the company. Kalpana has experienced all the categories throughout her life and learned a lot in between. She became an inspiring figure for people. If you want to become rich, the first thing you need to have is a strong purpose, because you will face many challenges on the path. You might need to change yourself many times and continuously improve. To sustain that, your purpose should be strong enough to motivate you in those hard times. Then choose the category, whichever is most relevant to you, and decide your path to success. We at Dragon's Perception want people to achieve their maximum potential. If you want to be a part of Dragon's Perception, subscribe to this channel and join this community for a greater cause. Together, we can make this world a better place.